Welcome back. Okay, many of you would probably have been as surprised as I was to wake up one morning and see a judgment from a River State High Court. Well, guys, I was never served, so that judgment was obtained in my absence. So what do? We go straight to the appeal court. A lot of people are unaware that a judgment isn't final until it gets to the Supreme Court. So first stage is the appeal court, but I'm very confident in the judicial system and I do believe I'll receive a fair judgment. So be rest assured. However, it is unfortunate that I can not comment on any of the issues raised in the judgment as it is before the Court of Appeal. So guys, be patient. Everything will be revealed in due time, and I do not want to prejudice the system. This notwithstanding, there are issues I can comment on, especially with regards to my own divorce case in Lagos that I can see creeping up, especially on Facebook. And I'll mention some of the blogs that carry this particular story, like Okwearu Chukwuezugo Kingsley, Yetunde Abijole Femi Aliyu, and Iberosi Chiamaka, among many other bloggers, carried this particular story. As of today, Freeze's former wife, Okpeyemi, has fled to the US due to threats to her safety and the impact of the orchestrated marital crisis and social media behavior of Daddy Freeze on the mental health of her children. This statement is false and I must address it. My marriage did not break down because of adultery or because of whatever else she's claiming, social media, blah, blah, blah. No. My marriage to Okpeyemi Morenike Oni broke down as a result of domestic violence, and I have court papers to prove this. So, check this out. According to a portion of the judgment that is available for everyone to see, the case of the petitioner, as I said before, I was the petitioner, I took her to court, is based on his assertions that the respondent has behaved intolerably, so much so that he cannot reasonably be expected to live with her. This affords a basis in law for seeking to persuade the court that a marriage has broken down irretrievably. See on the provisions of Section 15(2)(c) of the Matrimonial Causes Act, and the particular case he has built up and presented to the court is one of domestic violence. Oh yes, domestic violence. I dare say that the courts must and they do indeed have zero tolerance for domestic violence. As a matter of public policy, they will not encourage unhealthy and potentially dangerous relationships, most especially when they're at close quarters, such as the marital kind. The effect of overlooking such behavior and thereby exacerbating matters is considered to be damaging to the family and on a wider concentric scope to the larger society. And certainly, no responsible person on the streets will expect a spouse to endure acts of assault that had become habitual. About that Paul Odekina fellow whose name is all over the Port Harcourt judgment and now all over the media, I'm seeing it everywhere. He entered the box during my case trial, that is my case against my ex-wife, Okpeyemi Morenike Oni, and the trial was held at the Lagos High Court Igboshiri. However, under cross-examination by my very competent legal team, he was discountenanced. If what he said made sense,